garden impossible.
Beautiful spring days like this are made for gardening.
I'll say. Here are the stakes for our tomato plants.
Do allow me, Daisy. Tally-ho! Ha-ha!
Ooh, the radishes are almost ready for harvest. How's the weeding going, Squeaks?
Going great, Days. Weed. Weed. Radish. Crunchy with notes of pepper.
Right this way, little ladybugs. The Ladybug Whisperer welcomes you to Daisy's garden, where you are allowed, encouraged to dine on the tasty plant-eating aphids. Baby!
What is this? A leaning stake? Haha, not on my watch!
Weed. Weed. Nature cat.
Oh, hey, a video chat for my old friend Petunia. Be right back.
Oh, that's Petunia! Oh, you mean the Petunia? Wow! Okay, well then I just have one question. Who on earth is Petunia?
Petunia and Daisy were best gardening pals. But then Petunia moved away to the city.
Petunia may have won more blue ribbons, but when it comes to gardening, Daisy's the best. And everybody knows this.
That's right. Now that we're Daisy's best gardening buds, no garden is impossible.
Guys, my friend needs us to help her plant an impossible garden.
Hi, Daisy's friends. I'm Petunia.
Greetings, Petunia. Now, what is all this nonsense about an impossible garden?
Well, I've gotten myself in quite a pickle over here in the city. See, I love everything about it so far, but I really miss our gardening club, Daisy.
Aw, we miss you too.
Well, isn't there a gardening club you could join in the city?
Actually, there is. The Urban Gardening Club is coming over to consider me for membership in a month.
Oh, that sounds exciting. Are you excited? I'd be excited. Oh, how exciting!
It would be if I had a garden.
Ouch. Sounds like you got a problem, Patoons.
If I can't become a member of the Urban Garden Club, I don't know what I'll do. Daisy, you're my only hope. Can you help me?
Sure, I'd love to.
Why, of course she'll help you. I've said it once, and I will certainly say it again. With us at her side, there's no garden Daisy can't grow.
Aw, thanks, Nature Cat. Don't fret, Petunia. We're on our way.
Oh, thank goodness. We'll see you soon.
Onward and onward! Nothing can stop us now! I should have seen that coming.
City to the port, starboard bow, ahoy! Boat stuff. I mean, you know what? We'll be there soon.
I wonder what could be so impossible about growing a garden in the city.
Guys, over here. Hi. I feel so much better now that you're all here.
Any friend of Daisy's is a friend of ours.
So, what's the skinny Patoons? What are we up against here?
Here's the deal, Squeaks. I live in an apartment building with no outdoor space. So, problem number one, where do we set up this garden?
Don't worry, Petunia. We're on the job. All right, guys, let's find the perfect place.
How about this alleyway? Lots of room here.
Even if we brought in some soil, there's never going to be enough sunlight.
A balcony! Titty!
Love your enthusiasm, Hal, but Petunia doesn't have a balcony.
Ooh, I know, in front of this historic brownstone.
Lots of sunlight, open to the rain.
Yes?
But it looks like it belongs to someone else.
Well, that's it. There's nowhere to grow a garden in the whole city. I mean, what's a garden-loving bunny to do?
Wait a second. Guys, look where we are. Sadie's playground.
Plenty of sunlight.
It's perfect!
Wait a minute. You mean you can build a garden right here?
Hey, Sadie, it's Days. What do you think about us setting up a garden on your playground? You love it? Yeah? Okay. Bye.
She good?
Sadie loves But first, we need a plan.
Oh, a plan? Well, I love a plan. I mean, especially plans that are planned out like a plan. Thank you, plan.
I was thinking, since we're in the middle of the city, I'd love for the garden to be kind of an oasis from the busyness. Just a place to come relax.
Love it.
Yeah, maybe. A winding path, a bench for resting, a bird bath, and, of course, plenty of space for plants to grow.
Wow!
Sheer
Wow.
perfection.
Now we need some gardening supplies.
You know what this means, right?
Shopping trip. Tally ho! Many thanks, fellow human.
Oh, boy, I can't wait to dig down in the dirty dirt. Dirt? Dirt, where are you? It's me, Hal.
Oh, my dearest Hal, the dirt you seek is right beneath your feet.
This playground dirt is really rocky and hard.
So how, Bridget, do we follow the plan for the garden?
It's hopeless.
Never hopeless. We have new dirt.
The water washed all the soil away, and now it's tickling my toesies.
But that gives me an idea. We just need containers to keep the soil from washing away. Hal, you're a genius.
I am? Also, what does that mean?
That's it. Come on, gang. We need containers to hold our dirt and plants.
Let's scour the area and find some.
So what do you say, Daisy? Any quality garden containers here?